Hello everyone, here we are at an abandoned prison in Joliet, Illinois, and we found an air conditioner that is not running because this prison has left abandoned for years. So yeah, here we have this vintage Trane package unit. Looks like a Trane Odyssey. See it doesn't run anymore because they abandoned the prison. That massive reciprocating down there. I like the nice 4 skinny blades it has. It is from just the date of manufacture. It's from 1992. So it's probably a 3-ton. Wait, is that a 3-ton? I think it's a 3-ton. Yeah. Thank you for watching. Over and out.